Hi everyone, so you can go to the Central World Mall and the Prathna Market by metro. You can also prefer the taxi as well. The local taxi is available. So you need to get down at the Siam station. There is a Chitlom station as well. It's up to you where you want to get down. And from the Siam metro station, you can just walk in 4 to 5 minutes of distance to the Central World Mall, and then you can walk around so many places over there. So let's walk with me and I will show you everything and explain you all the places. So you will get down at the second floor, I would say. So I'm going to the first floor, then I'm going to the ground floor of the metro station, and then you have to get down from the stairs, and I will tell you the gate number as well. Siam station is very big station. You can change your metros for the other lines as well. That's why here are like 2 floors and you can change the metro for your route. And here is the exit. So we will exit from here. As you can see that it's COVID situation here, so that's why you are not seeing much crowd. Most of the shops at the metro station are closed and some of the shops are open. So you can exit from the gate number 4, and here is the view from the gate number 4. So you have to just walk on a skywalk.
एवरीवन, so welcome back to my channel World of Vishali. Hope you all are doing good और आपके घर पे भी सब लोग ठीक होंगे. So today I'm going to show you a walk tour around the Central World Mall and the Big C and the Pratunam. So as you know, like most of the people already know that the Central World is one of the biggest mall in Thailand, and similarly there is another mall, Icon Siam. It is also very big and you will get everything over there and all the brands are there. So it's too big, so I will show you, and after that I will show you the Pratunam area. So there are so many markets in Pratunam, like the one is Pratunam market and the another one is Indira. So it is very famous among the tourists. Whenever the tourists come to Bangkok and explore that, so they must should go to the Pratunam market. It is very big and good. So let's walk and I will show you a tour and let me know how it is.
So you can see the board over here. So the Central World is staying on the left and right are the another destination, as we have to go to the Central World. So we will walk straight on the skywalk. And today the weather is so good and the sky is looking super awesome. This skywalk bridge is very long, but we have to get down at the Central World Mall. But this is continuously from there as well. It's up to you if you wanna go further as well, and if you wanna get down at the Central World Mall. And if you take a metro to Chitlom as well, then you like have to like walk a same distance that you have to travel from the Siam station. So it's up to you which one you want to choose, Siam metro station or Chitlom metro station. It's like both are the convenient. So like I prefer Siam because it is one of the famous, and the skywalk is very famous, and that I wanted to show you. So that's why I like selected Siam to get over. And you can see that the people are running and doing their workout on the skywalk, and it's total like empty because of the very less crowd. So it is like good time to do the workout as well. But yes, it is COVID, so you need to take up precautions as well. Just wear your mask all the time even you are doing the workout. So we almost reached the Central World Mall, and you can see the board of Central World Mall just in front of me. The area is already started from here. As I said, it is one of the biggest mall in the Thailand, so it's spread over a very big area, and the surroundings are so good. When you come to this place, you will explore so many things. There are so many embassies as well, and the other things that you can explore. And if you want to enter the Central World Mall, there is a direct connection from the skywalk as well. So you can see that in my left side, so you can enter into the Central World Mall from here. But due to the COVID situation, all the malls are in Thailand are closed now, so that's why unfortunately I can't show you from the inside, but from the outside as well it is super good. And all the digitally that they have designed, everything is super awesome that I can show you in the front. So we need to walk a little more, maybe a 3 minutes or maybe a 2 minutes, then we will just step down from the stairs and we will walk around this mall, and you will be like surprised, oh it is so big. It's like it's kind of, when I walk I feel like it's never ending, but this area is so good, so positive, and it is one of the most popular place among the tourists. So if you are coming to the Bangkok, don't miss this place. You will find so many crazy things over here, and it is super awesome. So you can see the board over here on my left side. There are stairs where you can like get down from the stairs, and in the straight there is a Chitlom, and here directly you can see there is a gate. It's again a second entry gate into the mall, but we will like go down from the stairs and just walk around it. So here you can see the central tower, and the architectural building is so good, and on the top floor you will find the offices as well in this mall. And just on my right side there is a police secretary office building, which spread over again like a very large area. And here is the bus stop as well. If you want to come by a bus, then you can just get down over here and just enter directly into the mall. The one thing that I really like in the Bangkok is like the transport system, which is very convenient. You can get anything from anywhere, like bus, taxis, tuk-tuk, metro stations, and somewhere are the railway stations as well. So it's very convenient to go anywhere very easily. Yeah, fares are different, but it's good that you will like get everything to go anywhere. And just on my left side you can see the Apple store, which is very big and beautiful. If you want to buy any Apple product, then you can go to this Apple store and buy. And one more Apple store is there in the Bangkok, which is in Icon Siam Mall. If you have seen my blog, when I purchased my laptop, then I went to the Icon Siam Mall Apple store. So yes, you can prefer anyone. So now we will take a left turn from here and we will enter into the main street, where you can see the full view of Central World Mall, and you can also see the Big C. If you have not watched my blog of the Big C too, then you can see the link in the description box, and you can see that too, which will tell you and help you what you can buy in the Big C. This Big C I really like, because you will get everything. There are so many Big C in the Thailand, but this one is one of the biggest. So here the Central World Mall has started. The front look, so here is digital advertisement, you can see, which is blinking, huge digital advertisements. Here is the mall parking, where you can park your vehicles. So you can see that this mall is so big, started from that end to the another end. It's completely a Center World mall, and here is the main entry gate where you can enter. So it's so beautiful, and but I'm feeling sad because of the COVID situation. No crowd, no people are here, everything is closed, but still can feel a very good vibes over here. The greenery trees that they have maintained in front of the mall, it's super awesome. And there are so many big buildings as well that I will show you further. And in front of me you can see the Big C Super Center. It is my favorite. I get everything from there, and I will recommend you as well. If you are relocating to Bangkok, then if you want to buy everything for your home, then you can prefer the Big C Super Center. Here is the street food that you will find at so many places in the Thailand, and just on my left side there is a lottery, so that people buy these lottery tickets, which is very famous in the Thailand. Now we will go to upstairs, and then I will show you the full view from the bridge, the left and the right view, the complete view, how it look likes. Still during the COVID, like you can find this much of like vehicles and the traffic, then you can imagine that when everything will be open and the tourism like will be there, then how much traffic you will get on this road. It's completely full of crowd and the vehicles, and you can see a very big building in just front of me. So many buildings, and there are so many malls and the shopping markets as well. So you can see that here is the Platinum Mall, which is one of the biggest shopping mall for the tourists and everyone, and here is the Palladium Mall, and just straight is the Indra Market where the Pratunam area will start. So this is kind of intersect for the Pratunam intersection, which is just 3 minutes away from here, and on the just east side you will go to the Big C. So now we will go to the West Walk, and we will walk straight and just get down from the stairs and just cross the road. There is a red light, then we will cross it and we will enter into the Pratunam Market, where we will walk around the Indra Market as well. Indra Market is very famous, like especially as an Indian, I will recommend to Indians as well, if you are coming to the Bangkok and you want to do a shopping and you want to do a bargaining, then Indra Market is the best for you. And after that you can go to the Platinum Market, where you will find men and women stuff both, bags, your accessories, your shoes and clothes, western, everything you will get over there. So the Platinum Market is also good, but it's very hard to do bargaining in a Platinum Markets, but you can do and try a bargaining in the Indra Market. Today is very sunny day, and here is the beautiful garden just on my left side. You can see that the sun rays are looking so beautiful on the grass. You can just walk over here, you can do the evening walk, and just on my right side is the main road. You will get the 7-Eleven, you will get the cafes, restaurants and the little market shops. So it's like completely a tourist like most happening place. And I'm really enjoying the walk because everything is so empty and vacant. And even I was enjoying the walk on the skywalk as well. When there is a little crowd and no crowd, then it's completely you are like freely can walk and like capture all the things so easily. You can listen the music as well. So this music is on this bridge, so there is a very smooth and the light music that you can enjoy while walking. So here is the Palladium Mall that you can see just in front of me. It's very big, and here is the big traffic light as well. So we have to go straight. So I will show you the Pratunam and Indira market. Here is a big hotel, Novotel. So we have to go straight, but we can't cross the road from here straight. So that's why we just have to go left a little bit, then we can cross the road. Okay, so here on my left side is the Platinum Mall, which I was talking about, which is also my favorite. I get amazing clothing stuff from here. Whenever I want to do a shopping or like a clothing, I like come here as well. So now we will cross the road. We will just go in the right side and just cross the road and straight, and then we will enter into the Pratunam area. So yes, we already like into the Pratunam area, and you can see on my left side there are some stalls which are the shopping stalls which are closed. They used to sell so many stuff like a clothing, shoes, bags, and very small to bigger stuff, which is very cheaper. And most of the shops already closed and the few are open that I will show you further. Now we enter just into the main street of a Pratunam market, and on this street you will find so many shopping stalls. Here is the D night market, which is closed as of now, but when the tourism will be open, then it will be opened as well. You can see that on my left side all the shops are closed, just a few stores are open. So here this is a complete shopping street market, and on the right side as well there are some shops. So you can see these are the cheaper stuff you will get over here. Some food stuff as well, some groceries things, t-shirts, capris, and some shoppies for your home decorations. You can also get that. So yeah, there are like different things, not only a one stuff. Okay, so we have reached the Indra Square. So this Indra Square is a big mall where you will find so many shops. And now we will take a left turn from here, and then we enter into the Indira Market area. So Indira Market area is kind of a local market. When you go to the Delhi, then you will find Lajpat Nagar market, you will find the Sarojini Nagar market. Same when you go to the Mumbai, you will find so many markets, the markets in Kalaba and Bandra. So similarly, this Indira market is the market, a very big and very huge stuff you will get here. So very famous among the tourists. When I came in the Bangkok, so this is the first market that I visited, and I found so many Indian tourists as well. And here the benefit is that you can do the bargaining as well, and you will get the stuff very cheap. So you can see that just below the mall it's empty space, so everyone used to organize the stalls over here. So this is a complete area for all the people who want to sell any stuff. So they used to organize the stall over here, kind of a food stall, clothing stall, whatever they want to sell. So this area is complete a market area which is empty as of now. It is a wholesale market, you can say. You can see that the few of the shops are open, but it is not allowed. But yes, some people have like just kept it open. And you can see that just in front of me by OK Sky Hotel building, which is second largest building in Bangkok, and the first largest building is Mahana Kon. So if you are on my Instagram, then you must have seen that, like I used to like post on my stories, and you must have seen this building in the view when I like update the evening view and the morning view. You must have like seen this building. This is the Sky Hotel building, a second largest building in Bangkok. And every day I see this building from my home window, and I update this on Instagram as well as a view. Inside this tree you can also find so many shops are open as of now. Here are some dresses, some night suits, some trousers. So yes, this shop is open. On my left side some bag shops are open, and the street food I can see just straight over there. So there are some street foods they are selling as of now. And you know it's a COVID and the cases are increasing day by day. So whenever you are going into any crowd place, then just wear your mask, like keep all the precaution, just sanitize your hands and just stay away from the people as much you can. And I would recommend don't try the street food as well. It's so risky. Just prefer the home food as of now. That would be a great. So as much as precaution that you can take, that would be very good for you in this situation. Now I just taken a U-turn from here. Now I'm going back from where I came, and at the end I will take a left turn and then we'll go to the main road. So before going straight, I will show you some street food. So here you can see it's fully a non-vegetarian again, because it's very difficult to get the vegetarian stuff. The Thai food is like mostly a non-vegetarian.
ปลาสวยจ้ะกินแล้วสวยด้วย
You can also get some fruits here. These are like fresh fruits. And I really like these like colorful apartments and like kind of a flats. Whenever I came this area, I love these apartments which are like very colorful painted. So this is the road where I'm walking currently. This is like the famous like shopping street of Indira Market. So yeah, so when we exit from this, then you will go to the main road, and from there you can taxi and can go home easily. Now I will show you the Sky Hotel very closely. I can show you. So now you can walk straight, and just you can see in front of me there is a main road where you can take taxi. And you know, when you do a shopping in a Indira Market, you can do a shopping for 3 to 4 hours as much as like you can. And after that you will be hungry, then you can have Indian food, very good Indian and Punjabi and the South Indian food here. On my left side there are so many Indian restaurants, including South Indian, including Gujarati, Rajasthani, Punjabi. So there are so many shops, and also a 7-Eleven there. If you want to have you know, like burgers, any frozen food, then you can get from the 7-Eleven. Here is the Madras Darbar Indian restaurant, and the food is really amazing. I have tried out like 2 to 3 restaurants, but it's closed now, but the food delivery should be open. Here is another restaurant, Gagan Indian Food, which looks to be a Punjabi. Here is pure vegetarian restaurant. So people who are vegetarian, they can have a veg food over there. Here is the KFC. You can try the non-veg food. So we almost reached the end of the Indira Market. So I have shown you most of the streets of the Pratnam Market, Indira, Central World Mall and the Big C. So this street is so famous, this area is so famous among the tourists who are coming to Bangkok, coming to Thailand. So must visit this place, enjoy the shopping, enjoy the food and enjoy a walk over the streets. So I would like to end the blog over here. Hope you really enjoyed this blog. If you really enjoyed the blog, please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.